Is the liver located on your throat and one of your least important organs? Good answer. Is saliva the fluid that leaves your body through the urethra? Great answer. Is your body made up of cells that are so small that they must be viewed through a microscope? Wow, so quick. Are your large and small intestines both part of the same long tube? Oh dude, excellent. Is the bladder where feces stay until they are ready to leave the body? Good, the answer is B. What is not considered good nutrition for our bodies? Correct, the answer is candy. What is the main energy source for the body? The answer is B, carbohydrates. Which liquid provides calcium, an important mineral for the body? Milk. The answer is A. Do the nutritionist believe it is okay to eat lots of fats and sugar instead of fruits, vegetables, and protein? Hey, you are so fast. Which organ in the excretory system works to balance the amount of water in the body? The answer is kidney. Good. Are the digestive systems two of the human body's systems? Okay, good answer. Do the villi inside the small intestine absorb nutrients into the body? Good job. Correct. Are starving yourself and overeating examples of moderation? The answer is not yes, but no. Be careful please. Do foods such as fast food burgers, fries, candy, and cookies nourish the body? Wait. I need to finish my question first. But, okay, are a well-balanced diet, plenty of rest, and regular exercise essential to good health? Great, you are quite smart.